Setting injection timing. Hi, my name is Aishwarya. The fuel injection timing is one of the most important operating parameters that affects the automation mixtures formation under combustion, which determines the performance under emission of a diesel engine. Optimizing the injection timing will improve the performance of the engine to a large extent. Start of injection SOI or injection timing is the time at which injection of fuel into the combustion chamber begins. It is usually expressed in the crack angle degree CAD relative to TDC of the compression stroke. In some cases, it is important to differentiate between the indicates SOI and actual SOI. The performance of diesel engines is heavily influenced by their injection system design. In fact, the most notable advantages achieved in diesel engines resulted directly from superior fuel injection system designs. While the main purpose of the system is to deliver fuel to the cylinders of a diesel engine, it is how that fuel is delivered that makes the difference in engine performance, emissions, and noise characteristics. Today, we are going to learn how to set injection timing.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to find the causes of timing off, setting injection timing, tools required, wrench, ratchet, socket set, equipments required, a vehicle in running condition. To prevent poor performance, bad timing is one of the most common causes for an engine stalling. This can be avoided by regularly checking and adjusting your car's timing. How often should you check your timing? It depends on how often you drive your vehicle. If it's used as a daily driver, then it's best to check the timing every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. If it's not used as often, then checking periodically, every 1,500 to 3,000 miles, should be sufficient. Before you start, make sure the engine is cool and all electrical accessories are turned off. Then, locate the timing mark on the engine. This will be a small notch or line on the pulley or harmonic balancer. Engine injection timing refers to the precise moment when fuel is injected into the engine cylinders during the combustion cycle. It is an important factor in determining engine performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. The timing of diesel engine is critical because it affects the engine's combustion process and the ability of the engine to produce power. If fuel is pumped too early or too late, it can result in inefficient combustion, decreased power output, and increased emissions. Proper engine injection timing is usually achieved. In summary, engine injection timing is the timing at which fuel is injected into the engine cylinders and is an important factor in determining engine performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Recheck the timing and make any necessary adjustments. Now we are going to set fuel injection timing. Procedure. Familiarize yourself with the manufacturer's specifications for injection timing, as well as any specific instructions or precautions they provide. Prepare the engine. Make sure the engine is turned off and the battery is disconnected to prevent any accidental starts during the process. Locate the timing marks. Identify the timing marks on the engine components, typically found on the crankshaft pulley, camshaft, and the injection pump. These marks help you determine the correct position for injection timing. Find top dead center, TDC, of cylinder 1. Rotate the crankshaft using a wrench until the piston in cylinder 1 is at top dead center, TDC, and cylinder 1 is at the end of compression stroke. Use the timing marks on the crankshaft pulley and the engine block to align the crankshaft correctly. Check the injection pump timing. Locate the injection pump and check its timing marks precisely. Adjust the injection pump. Loosen the mounting bolts or nuts holding the injection pump in place. Gently rotate the pump to adjust the advance and retard and injection timing according to the manufacturer's specifications. Tighten the injection pump. Once the correct injection timing is achieved, tighten the injection pump mounting bolts or nuts securely. Recheck everything. Double-check all connections, fasteners, and adjustments to ensure everything is properly tightened and secured. Start the engine. Once the adjustments are made, start the engine. Allow it to warm up to normal operating temperature. Test the engine. Take the vehicle or equipment for a test drive or run it under load to ensure that the engine runs smoothly and performs well with the new injection timing settings. Remember, adjusting injection timing can significantly impact engine performance, emissions, and durability. Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to find the causes of timing off, setting injection timing.
Thus, we have learned to set injection timing. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.